Once again, we're in the place to be. Welcome back to In the Black. Like the video. Help me grow the channel. And with that being said, let's jump right into it. Listen, I told you this would happen. We just talked about this the other day. I told you we would reach that high of 189. We did. 191 is what it went up to. Pigs token is flying, but it doesn't mean that pigs is just going to continue to gain altitude indefinitely without coming down for rest, without stopping to catch his breath. Come on and understand something. Look where we came from. Look where we came from just recently. Let's go ahead and look at that exactly. How much did we rise in the last 40 days? We rose about 155% in the last 40 days. Now, why is that important? Well, it's important for a good reason. Did you notice where we fell from? We fell from $223 at the high. $223. And we opened at about $189, $190. You want to tell me when that was? That was back in May. That was at the end of May. So we went June, July, August, September, now October, almost in November. People want to take profit, or what they think is profit, because it's really not profit at this point. We need to surpass this mark of 189, 190. After that, okay, you're in profit. When we get up past our all-time high, okay, now we're really flying. But we have these individuals who are kind of weak hands right now, and they are taking some profit. That's what this is. They see pigs flying high, and they're going to take their little profit. Okay, they're probably going to put into something stupid. They probably don't believe in the project long term, but that's fine. We're going to stay in this little range probably for some hours now, and then we're going to start flying when the 18th comes around. And it's coming very fast. But be prepared, because people will dump. There's going to be another dump. I predict it's going to be when we get past this $223 mark. They'll dump again because they're desperate to take some profit. And that's just part of it. But guess what? When we start seeing these numbers come in, we start seeing these numbers come in on these farms. This is probably my favorite part of the farm right here, maybe on the whole entire website. This is what I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to seeing these numbers actually swing into action and seeing these numbers tick up, seeing it increase over time as the hours go by, checking once a day just to see what's going on. I'm really looking forward to this. I love this setup here. These earnings are really going to put things into perspective for individuals. And if you keep track of this and see what you're earning and see how you can tweak your strategy to increase your earnings per day, per week, per month, now we're really talking. Now, we don't need to be the individual who dumps right here. We can actually be what Forex was advising, and what so many other smart people advise, is to hold on to your assets and see what you can squeeze out of them. See, it's all about building your position while everyone else tears down their position. You have to be steadfast. You have to be motivated. You have to be focused. Let everyone else sell out their positions. Let them take profits to their doom and destruction as it pertains to their positions in Animal Farm, while you sit back and you steadily build your position day after day, week after week, month after month. In the long run, see, we have to understand this is not just a regular DeFi project where you have to get in and get out real quick before everyone else dumps. This is a long-term project. This is a project that is trying to go truly decentralized, running on its own indefinitely, continuing to change the financial lives of those who are invested and those who dare to stick it out for the long haul. Is that you? That's the question you have to answer. Now that's me, because I already know my goals. I'm trying to get to certain goals as far as my pig pen. I'm trying to get to certain goals as far as the LP tokens that I have in the farm. I'm trying to get to certain goals in the drip garden. I'm trying to get to certain goals in the pig pen. I'm trying to use all of these goals that I've set as I reach them to continue to feed the whole ecosystem that is available to me and every single other investor in the animal farm ecosystem. And of course, we can't forget about drip. Drip is part of that ecosystem as well. They all feed one another. And if you're invested in the long-term success of this platform, why would you even think about selling for a short-term gain? Why would you even think about selling for a short-term gain? Let them sell. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that it's not a good idea to take profits. You should take some profits along the way. You need some reward. You need to reward yourself. You need to give yourself a pat on the back for making good decisions with your investments. I'm not talking about those who take a little 5% profit or 7% or 10% or whatever. Something small, something little. We all need that motivation when times get tough, especially in this bear market. There's going to be another bear market after the next bull run. You're going to need that motivation. So putting those habits into place, that's definitely going to serve you well. Use those profits to do what you wish. However, the individuals who show that they're weak hands because they're taking massive profits right now. And they'll be taking them after launch as well. But that's for your benefit in the long run if you are one of the ones who have the intestinal fortitude to stick it out. So my position once again, let them take profits. And I'll take those profits down the road. Don't forget to like the video. What's your stance? What's your motivation? What's your strategy moving forward as we get ready to open up the Animal Farm V2? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And as always, stay smart and stay in the black.